You know the feeling, right? That late night deadline, it's just looming over you. The mountain of emails you haven't even touched, or that frustrating search for the one file you swear you saw just last week. The daily grind can really feel like you're running a solo race against the clock. But what if you weren't running it alone? I mean, just imagine having a teammate who could instantly pull up every decision from every meeting you've had. One who could draft a report for you while you're on a call and help you untangle the most complex problems, all without ever needing a single coffee break. Now, this might sound like something from the distant future, but it's really not. A global survey from the Boston Consulting Group found that a staggering 60% of people already feel like their AI tools are a coworker. So the shift, it's already here, and it's completely redefining what a team can look like. To really get what's happening, we have to start looking at AI as more than just another app or, a clever shortcut. This is a real evolution from a simple tool to a true collaborator. So, what is it that actually makes an AI a coworker? Well, it's not about just answering one-off questions. It's about participation. This AI joins your projects. It remembers the context from one day to the next, and it works right alongside you. But, and this is key, with you always in the driver's seat. And that distinction is absolutely crucial. Think of it this way. A traditional chatbot is like stopping a stranger on the street to ask for directions. You get your answer, and then that interaction is totally over. But an AI coworker, it's in the car with you for the whole journey. It knows the final destination, it remembers all the turns you've already made, and it actually understands why you're going there in the first place. This whole new kind of collaboration is really built on three core ideas. First, there's shared context. It has an ongoing memory of your projects. Second, supervised autonomy. It helps get the work done, but you always have the final say. And third, workflow integration. It works right inside the documents and apps you already use every day. It meets you where you are.
Okay, so that's the concept. But what does this actually look like in practice? Let's walk through a typical day with an AI coworker. And for our example, we'll just call it Claude.
All right, your day starts. You need to get up to speed on a big project. Now, instead of spending an hour digging through endless files, you just ask. Your AI coworker can instantly search across your team's shared drives, analyze all the key documents, summarize those crucial email threads, and find that one key decision that's buried deep in a long chat history. All that information, it comes right to you. Next up on the list, that big report is due? Well, your AI partner can draft the entire first version just from your scattered notes. It can take a 50-page source document and distill it down into sharp, clear bullet points. It can even help you refine your own writing to be more impactful. It's like having a true creative partner, from that scary blank page all the way to the final polish. Now, for all you developers out there, this is like having an expert pair programmer sitting right next to you. It can explain a complex new code base, review your work and spot potential bugs, and, this is a huge one, it can recall architectural decisions that were made months ago, which ensures everything stays consistent and high quality. And beyond all the big tasks, it's also a master of daily productivity. It can monitor project progress, flag potential blockers before they turn into crises, and even prepare those structured summaries for your weekly updates. Basically, it handles all the tedious coordination so you can focus on the real work. But look, this is about so much more than just getting things done faster. The most profound benefits here are deeply human. It connects to what psychologists call self-determination theory, which says we're all driven by three basic needs: competence, autonomy, and relatedness. Let's see how an AI coworker affects each one. First up, competence. That need to feel effective, to feel like you're good at your job. With AI-driven insights right at our fingertips, we can make better, more confident decisions. It's not replacing our expertise, it's boosting it, letting us find crucial information faster and just feel more capable in our roles. Next is autonomy, that feeling of being in control of your own work. AI coworkers can provide the kind of support and personalized feedback that we need to operate with less direct supervision. So it actually increases our independence, empowering us to tackle big challenges on our own terms. And finally, we have relatedness, our need to connect with other people. Now, here's the interesting part. By handing off a lot of the tedious, draining tasks to AI, we free up more time and, maybe more importantly, more mental energy for what truly matters: real human collaboration. It can actually help strengthen the very relationships that make work fulfilling. And you don't have to take my word for it. The data backs this up. That same BCG survey found that 56% of users say AI has improved interactions with their team members, and more than half say the same for others in their department. The numbers are pretty clear. AI is becoming a bridge between people, not a barrier. So, what does all of this mean? Well, it's clear we're not just talking about some new piece of technology. We're looking at the future of teamwork itself. It's a seamless hybrid of human intelligence and artificial intelligence, all working together. Stanford's Eric Brynjolfsson really put it best when he said it's not about AI replacing people. It's about people using AI replacing people who don't. And that's not meant to be a threat. It's just the next evolution of a professional skill.
So ultimately, the question isn't what this technology is going to do to us, but what we're going to achieve with it. So think about your biggest goals, your most complex challenges. What could you achieve with an AI on your team?